Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Gonna be unprepared, but I'm going to be trying the Tailored Operational Training Meal, the TOTM. This is the chicken burrito bowl, one I've never had. Dive right into it. Alrighty. Forget about the other hidden package. So we have the main. That's orange, lemon lime beverage base. Skittles. Barbecue sauce, interesting. The accessory packet, crushed red pepper flakes, FRH, wheat snack bread, and then the cardboard. Okay, so I went ahead and opened this and poured water in here for the beverage mix, just off camera to save time. Go and get the water going. Okay. Now it says half a canteen. Really should do is measure out half a canteen at home and just draw lines on here. I couldn't see bringing a whole canteen out just to mix up a beverage. Now I can just rinse this out and reuse it. Plus you can actually see the mix and it's easier to shake. Get that in there, give it a good shake. Go. The wheat snack bread, which is not bad, but I wish they'd given me some spread or peanut butter or something, but I got barbecue sauce instead. So, the wheat snack bread, these aren't bad. A little boring plain though, I'm gonna be honest. Guess we can go ahead and open up the accessories. Got the spoon, fresh nap, coffee, pepper, sugar, salt, and creamer. That FRH isn't even getting hot. That's a real drag. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big fan of lemon lime anything. It is okay. Unfortunately, if that FRH doesn't heat up, I'm going to be eating this cold because I didn't bring a stove because we've had high fire danger. Plus, we've had arson in the area, some areas, so I didn't want to take a chance of someone going, "Oh, is that an open flame? Oh my God." Man, no spread. But yeah, barbecue sauce. I guess that's for the bowl. FRH isn't even getting hot. That's just... So I've been letting it sit here. It's just barely warm to the touch. What the hell's with these FRHs, man? It's not the first time it's happened either. I know I didn't overfill it. Let's crack this guy open and check it out. There you go. Can't get a good grip on it. Alright. What the heck? Now it's cranking up the heat. So here's what it looks like. That was rice, beans, corn, looks like green peppers, wow, that thing's really going now. How the heck? Should I have let air in there first? Camera down so you can see this. See, now it's cooking right along. I didn't take any of the water out. Crazy. Maybe I should let more air into it. Well, I'm going to say that the chicken burrito bowl was actually quite good. I'm a little disappointed by the FRH, but what are you going to do? The barbecue sauce was interesting. I didn't even use it, so I'll probably just save it for something else. I'm not going to use the accessory pack because I don't really need to. I'll just save everything else. The no spread was really weird. I've never seen that before. It could have just been a fluke. Or they meant the barbecue sauce, excuse me, to go with the bowl, but I didn't think it needed it. I'm just having the Skittles now. Taste the rainbow. Alrighty, I'll slowly snack on the Skittles throughout the rest of the afternoon. Oh, I got a little at the bottom. Didn't get mixed all the way. Alright, anyway, appreciate you watching. As always, I thank you. I'm going to do the MRE chicken chunks next time because I've never had that one either. So I might save the barbecue for it. See if I need it. Gonna eat some Skittles while I prep for my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.